Built-in types, mapping types, dict. A mapping object maps hashable values to arbitrary objects. Mappings are mutable objects. There is currently only one standard mapping type, the dictionary. For other containers, see the built-in list, set, tuple classes and the collections module. A dictionary's key are most almost arbitrary values that are not hashable, that is, value containing lists, dictionaries, or other mutable types that are compared by value rather than by object identity may not be used as keys. Values that compare equal, such as 1, 1.0, or true, can be used interchangeably to index the same dictionary entry. Class dict pointer keywords. Class dict mapping comma has asterisk keywords KWRs. Class dict iterable comma pointer KWRs. Return a new dictionary initialized from an optional positional argument and a possibly empty set of keyword arguments. Dictionaries can be created by several means. Use a comma separated list of key colon value pairs within braces. Brace start jack colon 4098 assured colon 4178 or 4098 colon zack comma 4127 colon assured. Use a dict comprehension. Empty dictionary x colon x power 2 for x in range 10. Use the type constructor dict list foo 100 bar 200 dict foo 100 bar 200. If no positional argument is given, an empty dictionary is created. If a positional argument is given and it is mapping a mapping object, a dictionary is created with the same key value pairs as the mapping object. Otherwise, the positional argument must be an iterable object. Each item in the iterable must itself be an iterable with exactly two objects. The first object of each item becomes a key in the new dictionary, and the second object the corresponding value. If a key occurs more than once, the last value for that key becomes the corresponding value in new dictionary. For example, let's create dictionary. Hmm, Dictionary D is equal to this. Print type of D, print D length of D, and print D of value of S jored. Let's see here. Type is dictionary, length is 2, value is 4127. Okay, and now let's try to create through comprehension. Dict comprehension. Dict is equal to this, and print dictionary. 0 0 power to 0, 1 1 power to 2, 2 2 power 2 power 4, 3 9, 4 16, 5 25, 6 26, 7 49, 8 64, 9 81. And use this one. Use the type constructor. So if I use like this, dictionary foo is equal to 100, bar is equal to 200, fuba. Okay, and using this one, let's try foo list in tuple 1 foo 100 var 200, same output as this one. If keyword arguments are given, the keyword arguments and their values are added to the dictionary created from the positional argument. If a key is being added already present, okay. To illustrate, the following examples all return a dictionary equal to 112233. Let's do this example. A, B, C, D, E, print A, F. So dict 1 1 2 1 1 2 2 2 3 3. Dict zip zip tuple 1 2 3 1 2 3. Dict 2 comma 2 1 comma 2 3 comma 2. Dict 3 2 1 2. Dict 1 2. Dict this comma this. All are equal. Providing keyword arguments as in the first example only works for keys that are valid Python identifiers. Otherwise, any valid keys can be used. These are the operations that dictionaries support, and therefore custom mappings type should support too. List D. Return a list of all keys used in the dictionary D. Length D. Returns the number of items in the dictionary D. D key returns the item of D with key. Raises a key error if key is not in the map. If a subclass of dict defines a method underscore underscore missing underscore underscore method and key is not present, the D key operation calls that method with the key as argument. The D key operation then returns or raises whatever is returned or raised by the missing method call. No other operations or method invoke underscore underscore missing underscore underscore. If missing method is not defined, key error is raised. Missing method must be a method, it cannot be an instance variable. Class counter diff missing self key returns 0. C counter C read returns 0. C read plus is 1 is equal to 1. C read 1. The example above shows part of the implementation of collections.counter. A different missing method is used by collections.defaultDict. D key is equal to value. Set D key to value. Delete D key. Remove D key from D. Raises a key error if key is not in the map. Key in D. Return true if D has a key, else false. Key not in D equivalent to not key in D. ITERD. Return an iterator over the keys of the dictionary. This is a shortcut for ITRD keys. Clear. Remove all items from the dictionary. Copy. Return a shallow copy of the dictionary. Class method. From keys, iterable value. Create a new dictionary with keys from iterable and values set to value. From keys is a class method that returns a new dictionary. Value defaults to none. All of the values refer to just a single instance, so it generally doesn't make sense for value to be a mutable object such as an empty list. To get distinct values, use a dict comprehension instead. Get key default. Return the value for key if key is in the dictionary, else default. The default is not given if default is to none, so that this method never raises a key error. Items. Return a new view of the dictionary's items, key value pairs. See the documentation for view object. Keys. Return a new view of the dictionary's keys. See the documentation of view object. Pop. Key default. If key is in the dictionary, remove it and return its value. Else return default. If default is not given and key is not in the dictionary, a key error is raised. Pop item. Remove and return a key value pair from the dictionary. Pairs are returned in last in first out order. Pop item is useful for to destructively iterate over a dictionary, as often used in set algorithms. If the dictionary is empty, calling pop item raises a key error. Changed in version 3.7. LIFO order is now guaranteed. In prior versions, pop item would return an arbitrary key value pair. Reverse. Return a reverse iterator over the keys of the dictionary. This is a shortcut for reversed d.keys. Set default key default. If key is in the dictionary, return its value. If not, insert key with a value of default and return default. Default defaults to none. Update other. Update the dictionary with the key value pair from other. Overwriting existing keys, return none. Update accepts either another dictionary object or an iterable of key value pairs as tuples or other iterables of length 2. If keyword arguments are specified, the dictionary is then updated with those key value pairs. D.update red is equal to 1, blue is equal to 2. Values. Return a new view of the dictionary's values. See the documentation of view objects. An equality comparison between one dict.values view and another will always return false. This also applies when comparing dict.values to itself. D is equal to A1, D.values is equal to D.values. False. D or other. Create a new dictionary with the merged keys and values of D and other, which must both be dictionary. With the values of other take priority when D and other shared keys. D or equal to other. Update the dictionary D with keys and values from other, which may be either a mapping or an iterable of key value pairs. The values of other take priority when the D and other share the keys. New in version 3.9. Dictionaries compare equal if and only if they have the same key value pairs regardless of ordering. Order comparisons less than equal to greater than equal to greater raise type error. Dictionaries preserve insertion order. Note that updating a key does not affect the order. Keys added after deletion are inserted at the end. This is a dictionary list D. This is a list D values. These are values. D1 is equal to 2. D update the value of 1. Delete D2. D2 is equal to none. D. Changed in version 3.7. Dictionaries order is guaranteed to be in insertion order. This behavior was an implementation detail of C Python from C. Dictionaries and dictionary views are reversible. D this one, D this one, list reverse D 432. Okay, list reverse values, list reverse D items. Thank you.